Key tactics to sell successfully on Amazon FBA from Pakistan. Number 1. Study adversaries to find gainful products. Number 2. Be mindful of the products you sell. Number 3. Use combined product listings. Number 4. Start with few products initially. Number 5. Start with a brand. Number 6. Use good SEO approaches. Number 7. Get exceptional photography. Adjust the titles of your product. Number 9. Get product reviews. Number 10. Enhance the descriptive bullet points. Number 11. Select the precise repricing program. Number 12. Utilize Amazon Marketing Services (AMS).